Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Bodo and this is Bodo Thai. Are you one of those people that get really shy when it comes to talking to people or talking to strangers? You get all tensed up because you don't know what to say, especially it's not even your language. Well, you know what? I'm going to try to help you with that. First of all, you're going to have to stop being shy. That's it in a video. No, seriously, I used to be shy too when it was about 4. No, it's fooling with you. Yeah, I mean, there's nothing wrong with being shy, especially you don't know anyone. And they're all looking at you and you feel like, why are they all looking at me? Well, maybe because you're just that good looking. You know what I'm saying? Ever think of that? I'm going to teach you all simple phrases you can use right away to make friends and start talk to anyone without feeling awkward. It's a bit intimidating when you lay your eyes on someone that you kind of attracted to and with tons of friends and you just stand there alone with a drink in your hand in a corner in the dark and you're just watching them all night. Don't do that. This is going to be part 1 because it's got tons and tons of information I can give you. If you're male, just use crop. If you're female, just use car. If you don't want to use it at all, just skip it. But sometimes if you want to impress someone, not really impressed, I'm just saying become kind of friendly and polite, right? It's kind of nice to use crop or car when you first meet them. Okay, let's get on with this. The first word is hi. Sawadee. Okay, you can say Sawadee krap or Sawadee ka. It's very easy, very simple word. After you say Sawadee, right? You say, it's pretty cool here. Throwing out like casual conversation. Don't get all tensed up, right? Just kind of let's flow with it. This place have good vibes, yeah? So you say, ที่นี่บรรยากาศดีนะครับ I'm going to use krap because it's for male. It's easier for me to say it. If you're a woman, just say ka. All right? Okay, let's move on. ที่นี่บรรยากาศดีนะครับ ที่นี่บรรยากาศดีนะครับ which means this place is pretty cool, right? You agree? This is like all the phrases I would use in talking to people or whatever, whoever they are. I'll start my sentence withสวัสดี, or maybe I just don't even say hi at all, I just walk by next to them and just say, hey, you know what? This place is pretty cool, yeah? And ที่นี่บรรยากาศดีนะครับ And they would look at me, and then you look at them, and you look at what they're drinking, and you say, what are you drinking? คุณดื่มอะไรอยู่ครับ Okay? Which means, hey, what are you drinking? This look kind of interesting. I might want one of that. Especially if you're a tourist, they know that you're not a regular. It's like, I don't know, like Sex on the Beach or something, right? And you go, yeah, I want some of those. Does it taste any good? อร่อยไหมครับ อร่อยไหมครับ Okay, recaps real quick. You say hi, and you say, hey, this place this place is pretty cool, yeah? And then you look at them and you say, hey, what is that? What are you drinking? And they tell you that this is like Sex on the Beach, right? And you say, อร่อยไหมครับ which means, does it taste any good? And they're gonna get all shy and giggly. Or whatever, because they kind of know deep down subconsciously you're kind of starting to flirt with them, right? They might say, อร่อยค่ะ and then you're like, oh yeah, that's kind of cool, so you grab the menu and you look at it, or you drink menu and look at the board or whatever, right? So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to create a conversation with them. It's not a yes or no question. It's something that they have to answer. So what do you recommend? What's your favorite drink here? คุณชอบดื่มอะไรที่นี่ครับ คุณชอบดื่มอะไรที่นี่ครับ Then they're gonna have to tell you. They might be all shy, but somehow they want to help you too. You're waiting for your drink. You're just like sitting and standing at the bar, and they're just like drinking their drink, and you go, have you been here long? คุณมานานหรือยัง คุณมานานหรือยัง which means have you been here long? They might say, yeah, since like morning. เพิ่งมาค่ะ which means I just got here, or มานานแล้ว which means I've been here a while now. Okay, then you say, this is my first time in Thailand. Now this is getting real into like a real deep conversation a little bit, because it's gonna be like a lot of interaction here, so this is quite important. ผมมาเมืองไทยครั้งแรก If you can't say the R, just drop it. Just go, ผมมาเมืองไทยครั้งแรก ผมมาเมืองไทยครั้งแรก okay, which means this is my first time here in Thailand, and they might just like listen to you and go, oh, okay, ชอบไหม which mean like do you like it, and you say yeah, and you said เมืองไทยสนุกมากครับ which mean Thailand is so much fun. เมืองไทยสนุกมากครับ and now they're gonna love it because you love their country, and Thai people are proud of their country. And then you say, is there any place you recommend? คุณแนะนำสถานที่เที่ยวได้ไหม คุณแนะนำสถานที่เที่ยวได้ไหม Okay, it's a long phrase, but you can do it. คุณแนะนำสถานที่เที่ยวได้ไหม You build that rapport right there, and it's going good. Well, I can tell you, none of these phrases is gonna freak people out because it's a very casual phrases that I use all the time when I talk to people. It can be anything. I can walk by and say, oh man, those are cool shoes, whatever. But sometimes when you're in a different country and you want to interact with them in their own language, okay, which means they can see that you're trying. First thing first, when you say something in Thai, they might go, oh, that's how you get their attention. But if you're going around speaking English to them, they're going to be like, oh, one of those like slimy guys are speaking to me again because I've been hitting on all night. But if you go in and you talk to them without thinking like, I need to know you or whatever. Think of this as like you can talk to anyone, not just one person at the bar. You can talk to everyone in the bar, okay? I can just go in and talk to anyone. Use all of these phrases. You don't have to think about, I don't know what to say. I have a lot of friends like, I'm shy. I don't know what to say. You go for, I don't know what to say. You can say about anything, man. Come on. Like one of these phrases, you can just like close your eyes, put your finger on it, and you can say it. You can walk by. Okay, I'll just close my eyes, just pick one. Okay, right there. Okay, does it taste any good? You walk by, you see them drink something or eat something, and you're quite curious. It's like, อร่อยไหมครับ? Does it taste good? And then you can ask them, what is it? How do you order it? What's in there? You walk by, they're standing at the bar, and you just go, hey, what's your favorite drink up there? What should I order? Or you say, hey, this place have good vibes, yeah? You like it? You walk by, you stand next to them, and you say, wow, you like the music here? It's awesome, right? Whatever. You don't have to go like, hi, how are you? What's your name? It's lame. People can sense that you just try to hit on them. Just be natural. Just like talk to a best friend. That's how I do it. I don't really care who they are. It can be old, young, male, female, whoever it is. Memorize all these phrases. Practice it. And you're at the coffee house, you're at the bar, you're at the restaurant, wherever you are in Thailand. All right? At the beach. You close your eyes and you open your eyes, whoever in front of you, make conversation. Why not? It can be a 90-year-old guy. Who cares? It can be a dog. It can be a turtle. I don't care. At least you get good at it. Well, that's it for now. My name is Bodo. And if you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Peace.